the bane of my existence. I hear it. I know it's coming. I see those tracks. You can see the railroad sign right there. You hear it? It's getting louder. You're gonna be able to see it right there. It's fucking coming. I hear that shit coming. There was just one and it's fucking loud as fuck. See if we can see it. You'll see it right in the background. Shh. Jesus, who the fuck pissed Thomas off? Look at that. Well, you don't see it yet, but it's coming. You could hear it. Oh, it's the worst when you're busy and it's being loud as fuck. Uh-oh. I heard the ding ding. Cars, you better hurry. You're about to get fucking rat. Ooh. Oh. That's loud as hell. You hear it? Oh, I see the red light. The choo-choos are coming. Water! Oh. Yeah. Shh. Oh, there. Did you see it? Hold on. Oh, wait. The cars are all stopped. There's the train. You see it in the back? It's orange. It's loud as fuck. Oh, that was a short baby one. Little baby train. Yeah.